If your Android Auto is not showing on your phone screen, or if it's missing, then this might help you. Hey guys, this is Lucy, and let's get to the video without any delay. So first, you will need to go to settings. Here, go to app settings, and just right there and under your apps, you will see Android Auto. Or if you can't see it, then you can always go to the search and search for any apps. So go to Android Auto. You will enter this app info of Android Auto. At the bottom left corner, you will see an enable option. If you haven't enabled this Android Auto, enable it and force stop. So after that, you will need to go to storage under uses and clear its data. After deleting the storage, go back to your home screen and search for Android Auto. And you will need to click on the Android Auto under connected devices, and you will be taken to this page. Click on Android Auto and you will see your Android Auto app. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.